Man, your back's part of your trunk is flexing like crazy, man.
Oh yeah.
All of the pressure inside of there. And it's pretty unique. Not many enclosures are like. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. I do Jacob Vile. I do a good bit of videos.
I'm on both your YouTube.
So what's in here real quick?
It's a Scar VXF 15 D2 wired at 1 ohm. It's 4 cubes tuned at 32 hertz.
Okay. Are these group 31s or?
Yeah.
Okay. So 2 group 31s and then a group 65.
Yeah, and I got 2 of the same AGMs front and back.
Nice. Wow. Can I get a demo?
Yeah.
Awesome. So you used to, I could tell this box used to be for like 2 subs on the front, and you modified it, or what did you do here?
So it was 2 American-based XFL 12s. Just didn't care for the 12s.
Yeah.
So I wanted to go back to the 15. And this is all experimental. Basically what I'm doing is trying to see if this setup works fundamentally, and then I'm going to go probably to a U18.
Okay.
So, because they kind of on the ported side, on the small side, it's 4 cubic feet, but I can put about 5 to 5.5 back there pretty easy.
Oh yeah. Yes,
So-
sir. Sweet. And do you know your box tuning on it since you've done the change?
The one time I metered this box, all 3 of my boxes I have right now, they all peak out at 36.
Okay.
So it's tuned at 32, but vehicle peaks at 36.
Yep. Awesome.
Last time I metered on a 1500 watt amp, it was 141 at 876 watts at 36 hertz.
Really? Okay.
So a little on the lower wattage side.
Yeah.
This is a 3K Stetson Bravo, so I don't think that those are out right now.
It's a newer amp.
Yeah.
All right. And it's pretty unique. Not many enclosures are like yours, so it's definitely different having the sub in the trunk, and then your ports right here for the pressure to come out.
And I just got tired of having rear speakers. They kept blowing because of the air pressure. So.
Yeah. So you just took this out, so a little pressure comes out of the port, the little speaker 6x9s.
Like I said, this is all experimental. This is eventually going to be the base car.
Okay.
So I'm just testing, experimenting,
Yes, sir.
having fun with that. So
Awesome. Oh, I didn't ask, is it a stock alternator?
yeah, stock alt. Right now, I'm looking at a 240 to a 320 from Beckman.
Okay.
So
is there big 3 anything done in the
yeah,
hood?
big 3, 1/0 wire all the way back. So.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. So I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Kyle's system. Be sure to give him a thumbs up if you haven't already. Really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds today. Really awesome job for a single sub trunk build. Also comment, let him know what you think about his system. Say something positive. I definitely got a lot of good things to say about it. Really unique that he actually turned this box from 2 12-inch subwoofers in his prior build to a single 15-inch, and he says he got a little bit louder and more musical. So sometimes one sub larger cone is better than 2. It just depends on the vehicle, depends on the cabin, depends on the box. So shout out to you, Kyle. You did a really great job with the demo. Really great musical box too, so pretty impressive for a single 15-inch subwoofer. Really efficient that he has 3 batteries in the back, but he is on a stock alternator, as he was saying, so he is struggling a little bit on the voltage. You'll see after about 40 seconds of the demo, he actually drops into the 12-volt range, which isn't horrible, but it isn't healthy as well. Usually after so long of a demo, if you have a stock alternator, you don't have the amperage current supplied to keep that battery reserve healthy. So shout out to everybody watching my daily videos. Consider subscribing and stay tuned for more cardio videos. Let's go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Enjoy. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Yeah, it does better with that passenger window down.
Man, your back's part of your trunk is flexing like crazy, man.
Oh yeah.
All of the pressure inside of there. And it's pretty unique. Not many enclosures are like yours. So it's definitely different having the sub in the trunk and then your porch right here for the pressure to come out.
And I just got tired of having rear speakers. They kept blowing because of the air pressure. So
yeah. So you just took this out so a little pressure comes out of the port, the little speaker 6.9s.
Like I said, this is all experimental. This is eventually going to be the base car. Okay. So I'm just testing, experimenting,
yes, sir.
Having fun with that. So
awesome. Yeah, thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Kyle Davis.
Kyle Jacob.
Yep.
All right, appreciate it,
man.
Kyle.
It was good to finally meet you, man.
Yeah, man, you too.
Yep.
Oh, I didn't ask, is it a stock alternator?
Yeah, stock alt. Right now, I'm looking at a 240 to a 320 from Beckman.
Okay. So is there big three, anything done in the head?
big three, 1/0 wire all the way back. So.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.